This is called Birds.
We are born to listen and to being, and the stars navigate on to see. And where are we now? Where have we come? I believe in one thing that's true. On the silver line we'll take to the skies. And I believe good things to come, bright days for everyone. All love as it is above, we will fly. We are better from our freedom, and not all benefit from our kingdom. And who are we now? What have we become? I believe in all things of truth. On a freedom fly we'll take to the sky. And I believe good things to come, bright days for everyone, even the lost souls to be found. We will rise. We are all alone together all now. We are all alone. We are all alone together forever. Oh no, together forever. Oh no, together forever and never. Oh no, and I believe good things to come, brighter days for everyone, even the lost souls to be found. We will rise, and I believe good things to come.